everybody!
Have you ever had a cheesesteak?
Or some good Italian bread?
Or pizza?
Chances are all of that, even this bread, were made by equipment built by KB Systems.
So we manufacture industrial and commercial baking equipment. I'm the mechanical engineering manager. I manage manufacturing operations here. That includes anything that we make here and including plant issues and procuring new equipment. So we use top-of-the-line technology, top-of-the-line processing. We have equipment that is roughly a year old, is the newest, and the oldest probably 40 or 50 years old.
I'm the manager of the mechanical engineering group. Seeing those designs turn into physical machines and watching the product that it produces and the satisfaction of the customers in the end. In engineering towards manufacturing technology with the design and modeling using SolidWorks is a big plus. The technology in general in the manufacturing methods and processes and the ability of the tooling to create those designs are very intriguing and interesting, and I think if you want to be involved in that field, studying and understanding processes and the physics and the math that go along with it go a big way.
I do all the factory acceptance testing. My 30 years experience plays out through all of manufacturing and people skills, dealing with customers, general product knowledge.
My position is business operations. I get to be involved with most areas of the company. I would say follow your passion. If what you saw here today is something that interests you, what I find exciting about manufacturing is it's a little bit of art and it's a little bit of science. And I'm a person that likes to always work for a manufacturing company. And like I said, what I find very interesting is there's always something different and exciting going on. So I would say that's something that could probably apply to anyone if this type of field interests you.
My name is Paul Chisek.
My name is Pete DeWalt.
My name is Lisa Scheit.
My name is Frank Kem.
And we are KB Systems.